Hi everyone, in this video I'll be teaching you how to download and install GTA San Andreas in PC. First things first, open your web browser and go to the Steam website. If you don't have an account, just create one. Then log in if you already have an account. Once you were logged in the search bar at the top, just type GTA and press enter. Then just look for Grand Theft Auto San Andreas Definitive Edition and just click on it. Once you are here, just scroll down to the games page and click Add to Cart. Then review your cart and select Purchase for myself. In here, just choose your preferred payment method. And take note that options may vary based on location. And just enter the required payment details and complete the purchase. After your purchase, just click on Library at the top left corner of the Steam window. Look for GTA San Andreas in your library that you have just bought. Click on it and you'll see a download button. Just click download to start downloading the game on your Steam. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you.